Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change the language settings on a HP OfficeJet Pro 6830. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the touchscreen you can see here. Now I've obviously got the printer set to English, but if you need to change it from a language other than English, you can hopefully tell your position from what's shown on screen and the different icons displayed. So from this home screen we're going to move it along until we get to the symbol with two cogs, which is set up. So we press to go into that, and then we need to go into preferences, which is this top option. And once we're in there, language is the third one down underneath time, which should be a good indicator you're in the right place. And there we are, it's as simple as that. English is the top option, but you've got lots of other options here. So if you're looking for English, scroll to the top, and you should be good to go. I'm going to set that, and we're done. Hope you found what you're looking for here. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know with a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.